Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a little bit more about something I've been talking about over the last several weeks. I've been talking to you a lot about different extracts, maple extract, vanilla extract, orange extract. Well, I'm just going to clump the rest of them all together. All right, there are a lot of other extract flavorings that you might want to consider adding to your preps. Almond extract, spearmint extract, chocolate extract, peppermint extract. There are a bunch of them. All right, so figure out if you might want to need some that you might need some of these, then you might want to get them. Get my tongue untied here, and add them to your prep. Now, word of advice on them. Unless it's something that you're using a whole lot of, like probably the most common one we use around here, the most stuff is vanilla. I think that's true with most people. Don't get the big bottles, get the small ones. Especially if you only use it like every blue moon or whatever. There's no sense in getting a big one when you need, a little one will do. Also, the little ones, when you open them up, if you don't seal it right, even any of them will lose the alcohol out of them, and kind of ruin it a little bit. Get thick enough. You got to try to guesstimate to get it back to the proper consistency. Where if you have just a small one and it goes bad on you, whatever, you're not losing the big bottle. So if you have several small ones, in the long run, it's probably going to be more advantageous for you to have than the big ones. All right. So before I take off, I'm going to go ahead and put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. And then I'm going to put a playlist up here for the prepping for beginners, and then down here a playlist for prepping in private. Why? Well, this is why.